If you're spending time along the coastline of South Africa today, you can expect a sunny to partly cloudy day across the area. It's going to be warm to hot across South Africa, but there is a chance for thunder showers to develop over the central and western interior later on today. A cut-off low is developing off the west coast of the country, and that's going to start bringing in increased chances of rainfall for many parts of the country on Monday and Tuesday. 3 watches have been issued today by the South African Weather Service. The first is for extremely uncomfortable conditions over parts of the Western Cape into the Lowveld, as well as the northeastern corner of KwaZulu-Natal. A second watch is for extremely hot conditions over the West Coast District and the Cape Winelands District of the Western Cape. Maximum temperatures may exceed 40 degrees in some places. And the third and final watch is for the possibility of severe thunderstorms over the interior of the Eastern Cape later on today. Up to a 40% chance of thunder showers is forecast for much of central and western South Africa. Gauteng is included in that, while just a 20% chance is forecast for southern Limpopo. Once again, thunder showers extend to the far western parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and we could see a few thunder showers reaching the far southern coastline of the country between Mossel Bay and East London, while the Wild Coast as well as the eastern coastline of the country remains dry, and it's going to be another dry and humid day for the Lowveld areas. Hot conditions are forecast for virtually the whole of South Africa, but warm along the south coast, 25 degrees for George and Port Elizabeth. Temperatures approaching 40 along the Orange River, Uppington with a maximum at 38 degrees. Your coastal conditions for today, where we're expecting moderate winds along the west coast of South Africa, fresh at times for Namaqualand, resulting in moderate beach conditions across that area. As we head further south, we're expecting lovely beach conditions around the Cape Peninsula with wind speeds averaging at 25 kilometers per hour this afternoon. Swell heights increase to between 2 and 2.5 meters. Along the south coast of the country, southerly to southeasterly winds are forecast, averaging at between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour, but Port Elizabeth sees the return of a southwesterly wind. Swells are expected to reach a height of 1.5 meters. And finally, along the east coast of the country, those southwesterly winds push up from East London all the way through to Durban. Richards Bay sees a dominant northeasterly wind for much of the day, and we're expecting easterly swells to come in with a height of 1.5 meters.